Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Vivint Doorbell camera keeps going offline. So, how do you fix this issue? Well, there are a number of things here that you could try doing. So, if your Vivint camera keeps dropping off network, well, again, there's a few things. So, first is you want to start your camera. Now, you want to unplug your Vivint Doorbell camera from its power source. Now, wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This quick reboot often fixes temporary connection glitches. And also, you may want to check your Wi-Fi connection. Now, make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly. Now, if you've recently changed the network name or password, reconnect the camera using the Vivint app. Now, next thing that you want to do here is you may want to reboot your router. Now, sometimes your internet router just needs a refresh. Now plug it for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. This helps stabilize the connection for all your smart devices, including the camera. And also, verify that the camera is actually getting power. Now, if the light ring on the doorbell is glowing, it's powered on. If not, inspect the wiring or power source. And finally, you may want to check for any firmware updates. Now, Vivint camera updates automatically, but only if your smart hub is online. Now, open your Vivint smart hub here, go to devices and select your camera and check the firmware version. Now, if it's outdated, the system may start updating and reboot the camera. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.